Welcome to the Om meditation. The Om meditation has three main parts. The first part is to prepare and activate our heart. The second part, the main part of the meditation, we ask the true source of love and light to bless our heart and remove our problems to be cleaned and replaced with the love and light. The last part of the meditation is about radiating even more love and light from our heart, to dissolve into the love and light, to fill our whole heart with the love and light, and finally to share it all with others. So sit down properly with your spine straight without tensioning yourself. Place both palms on your lap facing upward and close your eyes to reduce the activities of the brain. Relax and smile. Let your mind and your whole self be here and now. While being relaxed and smiling, inhale deeply without forcing yourself, and exhale through your mouth to let go of all thoughts and tension from your whole being. Inhale deeply and exhale through your mouth to let go of all the thought and tension from your whole being, and feel that you are more relaxed. Feel yourself relaxed. Your whole being is very relaxed. Enjoy and smile more. From now, inhale, exhale normally through your nostrils. With your fingers, touch the center of the chest where your heart is located. Smile to your heart without thinking how to do so. Keep on smiling freely to your heart with your whole feeling, and feel more relaxed, more lighter, and more peaceful as your heart start growing more stronger while continuing to touch your heart at the center of the chest and smile to your heart. Let us pray to True Source to ask for the blessing, to clean negative emotions from the heart and to open our heart better. While praying, do not need to repeat the prayer. Just keep on being relaxed and smile freely to let the heart do the prayer for you. The True Source, please bless our heart so that all the ignorance to be cleaned and removed to replace with love and light. True Source, please bless our heart so that all the anger to be cleaned and be removed to be replaced with the love and light. The True Source, please bless our heart so that all envy and jealous to be cleaned and to be removed, to be replaced with love and light. Thank you very much.